The blessed month of Ramadan is almost here. It is the month of fasting, spiritual reflection, and charitable deeds. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Zakira, and in today's video, I am going to share how I prepare before Ramadan. For the ones who don't know, after fasting from dawn to dusk, many Muslims break their fast with dates. It is something that is common across all tables. Today I am making some stuffed chocolate dates. And for that, I'm using the chocolate hazelnut butter that I made at home, but you can definitely use any other butter, almond butter or cashew butter. I'll be leaving the link of the recipe that I followed for this in the description. And after that, we will need some grated coconut and some almonds for the toppings and some kind of dark chocolate. I'm using 100% dark chocolate. You can use any kind of chocolate that is available to you. I am de-seeding the dates first. I am only making a batch of 10 for now. You can make more or less according to the number of people in your family. Once all the dates are de-seeded, I'm going to stuff them with the chocolate hazelnut butter that I showed you. Now instead of hazelnut butter, as I said, you can use almond butter, peanut butter, cashew butter, anything you like. And now I'm going to melt the dark chocolate with the double boiling method. I have taken a pan and in that I have some water and I'm going to place the bowl on top of it. I have added a dash of coconut oil in it and I'm going to let this melt for 5 to 7 minutes. And once the chocolate is completely melted and is in a liquid state, you want to take your dates and we are going to dip these dates in the chocolate mix. But before that, I have taken some aluminium foil to place the dates on. You can even use a parchment paper for this. And now with the help of two forks, I'm simply going to dip the dates in the melted chocolate and I'm going to start placing them 1 or 2 inch apart. I would like to take this time to explain the significance of dates in Ramadan. The reason that dates are an essential part of iftar is because the Prophet Muhammad, may peace be upon him, has been quoted as saying, when one of you is fasting, he should break his fast with dates, but if he cannot get any, then with water, for water is purifying. Other than the cultural and religious importance, dates are super healthy. Now for toppings, I'm sprinkling some grated coconut and almond flakes. You can do whatever you like, just like white chocolate, pistachios, dried rose petals. You can get creative with this process. Freezing it for 10 to 15 minutes in the deep freezer and then transferring it into a jar, and then you can store this in the fridge for an entire month. One of the best way to prepare your home for Ramzan is to choose a corner that can easily be turned into a peaceful worship area. It creates a warm, inviting and comforting environment which personally helps me to be more productive with my worship and focus better, while the entire process of decorating and planning gives me so much of joy. One of my favorite things are these LED lights. I really love how it makes the entire place look so cozy at night. So I would definitely suggest you try and get one of these at least. The moon you see in this video is made by me. I have shared an entire reel of the process. You can check that from the link in the description. So as you might know, Ramzan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, which is a lunar calendar based on the cycles of moon, hence the moon decoration. Now I like to keep everything I need here, including the Holy Quran, prayer mat, prayer beads and some scented candles, cushions, plants and things like that to make the space more welcoming. Whether it is running errands before iftar or offering namaz at home, Every year before Ramzan, I like to get some new clothes which are modest and have really long sleeves and a loose fit. This year, I got some tunics from West Side. As you can see on the screen, this is the first one that I got. These are super comfortable and these are cotton, so you will not feel so hot in these, and very lightweight, airy, and great for Ramzan. So I got four of these. I'm gonna share the link of all of these in the description in case you wanna check them out. Stocking up on your groceries is another very important task before Ramzan, and I feel so grateful that we can do that. By preparing in advance, you can enjoy the month without any stress of running out of things. And me, my sister, my mother, we all three went to a nearby shopping place, and the clips you will see from now are from that grocery run. It is not exactly Ramzan shopping, but yeah, there were a few things that we needed for Ramzan and just regular things that we need every day. Guys, here is an entire section dedicated to dates. I'm definitely going to get some. क्या तकलीफ दे रहा है? अरे नॉर्मल गार्लिक क्रीमी मेयोनीज, हाँ। एगलेस में तो वो लोग सोयाबीन डालते हैं। एगलेस मेयोनीज कभी नहीं खाना चाहिए। क्या है इसमें भी सोयाबीन तो है। सी द फर्स्ट इज रिफाइंड सोयाबीन ऑयल, वेरी बैड फॉर योर हेल्थ। हर्शीज चॉकलेट, दिस इज वेरी हेल्दी। हु सेड? शो। इन लोगों ने बोला है नेचुरल अनस्वीटेंड 100% कोको, मीडियम फैट कोको पाउडर। लेट्स सी द इंग्रेडिएंट लिस्ट। देखा नहीं था, इंग्रेडिएंट लिस्ट है ही नहीं, बिकॉज ये 100% कोको है। अपने पास है क्या कुछ ऐसा? Putting vitamin and minerals. Sugar. वही तो. It's better to you take this instead of that. हाँ सामने. हाँ. Cheese है वो. मैंगो केसर पिस्ता। तो इसमें शुगर ऑलरेडी अंदर एडेड है। हाँ मिठाई बनता है ये। तो फिर मम्मी क्या मतलब उससे तो अच्छा तो इतना हेल्दी करने का रमज़ान में। एक दो रोजे बाद आएंगे, छोड़ रख दे। रोज़ बट रोज़ तो अपने रूह अफ़ज़ा है क्या अपने पास? रूह अफ़ज़ा में शुगर नहीं होता। प्लीज़ कीप दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन इसके व्लॉग के अंदर कि शुगर नहीं होता रूह अफ़ज़ा में। केसर पिस्ता नहीं यार, मैंगो है, स्ट्रॉबेरी है। स्ट्रॉबेरी एंड रोज विल बी लाइक द सेम थिंग ओनली। रास्पबेरी और स्ट्रॉबेरी। रास्पबेरी जेली में मीठा नहीं आता। रास्पबेरी की स्ट्रॉबेरी। पर ये घर पे है नहीं। एक ही है।
कौन
तो
सा
रास्पबेरी
ये मैं जीत गई।
और के ये इसमें से तो चूज कर ले चल।
स्ट्रॉबेरी।
चलो ये है ना अपना। हाँ सीजर्स का।
मैडम वॉक्स वेरी स्लो।